I hope you like my voice. Hey everybody! Today we just received this item here to be reviewed and unboxed. The company name is ZEALSOUND. We can look at the box. In front we have the picture. On top it's pink. The model of this ZEALSOUND microphone USB, it's k66p, like pink. So here they show you on the side, some on the back, on the other side. So this microphone, it's plug and play. You don't need any software. It's reduced noise. It's one key. You have the volume and the echo on it, plus the real-time monitor. This microphone here, it's good for podcasts and ASMR. Let's do the unbox. What exactly we have. Oh, like usual, we have the user manual, we have the live support and tell you everything you need to know, and voila, pink lovers. That's going to, if you love pink, that's going to be your style, the microphone. Voila. So we're going to take it out, the foam, turn it on the other side, and voila. Let me show you the microphone. Like always, you have a plate here, tell you the brand. On the bottom, in here you still have the headphone. You can always listen what each time you're talking, and on the other side that's going to be where you plug in your USB-C plug. And I'm going to put the foam. Wow, that's cute for pink lovers. And voila, with the foam. Inside, oops, sorry, the cable, we have two adapters. That's the one for Apple, that's the one for if you have a cell phone, you can always plug it in, and that's the one. Here you can see those USB and USB-C, the cable. The length of the cable, let me show you. Oops, sorry, it's not going to be long. It's 6 foot. So I think you have a lot of cable. Okay, so now it's time to plug it in and try it. So like that we're going to see what kind of sound we have. Okay, let me show you exactly what we have in front. You have your mute, you have your volume for the mic, you have the volume for the headphone, and plus the volume for the echo. I hope you like my voice. This microphone is good for podcasts and it's good for ASMR. Let's try it with the echo now. And this is going to be my voice with the echo. This is all the way up. I sound like somebody inside the church. Wait. Okay, so this is my voice again. I'm going to put it like that, and that's going to be the test sound with the microphone mic ZEALSOUND K like Kellogg 66p for pink. For the pink lovers, you're served. If you like this, if you want to know if I like this microphone, the quality, like all usual, they're good. The sound, it's good when it's time to do some podcasts or ASMR. That's going to be still the microphone you need. I hope you like this video about this microphone here. Let me show you again. Et voilà. If you love this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and like usual, don't forget to subscribe. On this side, I don't remember. Just subscribe, that's going to be really good. And see you on another one.